Hello everyone, this is Lee from Capture Boat. Today I would like to share this 9 meters Bowrider boat. The boat is finished and will be packaged into 46 containers only. This one is very excellent for fishing or daily trip with many sitting area, lift table, a large fish tank. Well, next we will show you more details about this one. The fish tank. We can see the hole to put the water here and the draining hole for the dirty water. On the floor, we can see the cutting board, the drawer, also the battery box, the battery switch. Also here, a fish tank or luggage tank. And also here the small tank here to store something. That's the basic layout of this one. We will put cushions on the storage box. If you are interested in the price or the more details, the material plate, or the thickness or the fuel tank, feel free to leave me a message or contact me by email, WhatsApp, Skype, or leave me a message on YouTube, Facebook. Anywhere you can find me. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.